Hello friends, today we will explore one important area in AWS, that is Relational Database Service or RDS. So RDS is managed service provided by AWS. It leverages a developer or system admin to focus on other deployment or application development area by reducing the effort required in database management. Various flavors of databases are supported in RDS. Apart from databases like Oracle, MySQL, Amazon also has its own Aurora database supported. The open source databases like MySQL and PostgreSQL are also supported. These two in fact are the most commonly used open source databases these days. Briefing some of the features in RDS here. First, rapid provisioning. The provisioning process is quicker than manual or GUI methods done traditionally, as database can be created and configured in just few clicks. Second, scalable storage. The storage allotted to databases can be easily scaled, but be careful, RDS does not allow to reduce the amount of storage allotted and any additional storage add to cost. Third, saves time for day-to-day administration tasks. Since most of the basic admin tasks are taken care at the backend by AWS team, you need not to be worried of basic DBA tasks here. Fourth, high availability. The features like multi-AZ and read replica adds to high availability and durability. Fifth, focus on application and customers. Since the basic DBA task related time is saved, much of the time consumed in that area can be leveraged and consumed in better application development. Sixth, scalable compute. Scaling the RDS instance type is just as easy as other tasks, but a downtime is required for a standalone instance. Seventh, compatibility. Most of the latest database versions are available, so RDS databases are easily compatible with latest application setups. Now coming on backup and recovery. One major advantage of using RDS databases is the process of securing backups using snapshots. These may either be manually scheduled using services like Lambda, CloudWatch, or you may anyways use the automated backups which are by default secured for any database type. Now, adding the automated task which otherwise was DBA's responsibility. Please note that you need to ensure the maintenance window is selected only in off-business hours to avoid any kind of application or performance impact. Patching is taken care at the backend and you are notified in case any action is required from your side with respect to these patchings or maintenance activities. Now here we will brief about two important concepts in AWS RDS, that is read replica and multi-AZ deployments. As used in traditional databases, we may create a read replica to offload primary database for reporting or analysis purpose. Most of the users and jobs which only require data to be read or selected from database can be pointed to a read replica. Similarly, multi-AZ deployment facilitates high availability for your database and is always suggested to be configured for production workload. The secondary database will be in sync with the primary and can be switched with primary roles anytime there is an issue with the primary database or availability zone. Now coming on pricing. Here are some of the parameters based on which your database instance will be built upon. Basically, any running RDS instance is built for first DB instance hours, which in turn depends on the type of instance as well. Second, storage allocated. Third, the input-output request per month. Fourth, provisioned IOPS if selected for your database. And fifth, applicable backup storage. Here we will suggest some best practices for your database workloads. First, enable CloudWatch monitoring to ensure any issues or operations related to database are being monitored and acted upon. Second, be careful with the storage allocated to your database. You need to ensure you do the capacity planning for your databases to accommodate any kind of load. Third, backups are something always recommended for a database to avoid any data loss. And fourth, if you have configured multi-AZ or cross-region read replicas, it's often suggested to have a failover or a switchover test once a while or as per client agreement. That was all about basic introduction of AWS RDS. In next video, we will cover some more details about this PaaS service and some tips and tricks which might be handy in your day-to-day operations. For more similar technical videos, do subscribe our channel. For any query or feedback, you can write us in comment section or mail us on provided email ID. Thank you.